Okay, with surface area of a prism, prism meaning it has the same base and the same top and bottom are the same shape. We're going to calculate surface areas of these prisms where you have a piece missing. The surface area formula that I would like you to use, surface area is two bases, meaning the top and the bottom, plus the perimeter of the base times how tall the object is. So I've sketched the base over here and I've labeled everything that's given. What you need to do is figure out the measurements that are not given. So you can see right here, I need to figure out what this little dimension right here is. If it's 20 units across the top and I'm using 5 on each side, that leaves me with 10 units left over. So that measurement is 10x. Opposite side of 6x would also be 6x. And I have a 20x over here. Let's calculate the area of the base. And you have options for doing this. One choice would be to calculate the area of the entire rectangular region and then subtract out the little portion. So I could do the entire rectangle and I could minus the cutout. The dimensions of the entire rectangle are 20x by 20x. And I could subtract the 6x by 10x cutout. So this gives me 400x squared minus 60x squared for an area of 340x squared. That's just one option for figuring out the area of the base. The perimeter of the base, simply add all of these numbers together. The perimeter of the base is 92x. You can see the area is to the second power because area has two dimensions, length and width. The perimeter is just x to the first because it's a linear single dimension measurement. So that's the first step, finding the area of the base. Then determining the perimeter of the base is the second step. And now finally you're ready for your surface area calculation. So I multiply the base measurement times 2. I multiply the perimeter times the height of the object. How tall is this object? How many base shapes do I have stacked up on top of each other? And this is 20x in this particular problem. Do my calculations. And I find that the total surface area of this shape, 2,520x squared, and I didn't give a unit of measure, but that's how you do this. You identify your base, you find the area of your base. The base that you choose is also the perimeter that you should take. Using the formula, you multiply the base times 2, add that to the perimeter. The perimeter is multiplied by how tall the object is, and that serves as your surface area for this shape.